I used to think I was doing everything right. I trained hard, ate clean, and followed the standard advice on health and fitness. But something felt off. The energy I once had was slipping away. My focus at work was not as sharp, my workouts felt harder, and my motivation was fading. I chalked it up to stress, to getting older, to life just being busy. But deep down, I knew something was not right. I started noticing other signs. My sleep was restless, recovery after workouts took longer, and no matter how well I ate or how much I trained, I was not seeing the same results. It felt like my body was working against me, like something was missing. That is when I came across Dr. Tracy Gapin's research on men's health and longevity. He was not just talking about diet and exercise, he was looking at the deeper biological factors that influence everything from energy levels to testosterone, from metabolism to mental clarity. And that is when I realized I had been treating the symptoms, not the root cause. Dr. Gapin explained that the traditional approach to men's health is outdated. Too often, we focus on surface-level fixes, ignoring the deeper hormonal and metabolic shifts that happen as we age. He broke down how factors like blood sugar control, light exposure, and stress management are just as critical as diet and exercise. He also revealed how epigenetics, the way our environment influences our genes, plays a massive role in performance, longevity, and overall health. One of the biggest wake-up calls? The role of testosterone. Most men assume it is just about aging, but Dr. Gapin explained how modern lifestyles, poor sleep, processed foods, lack of movement, are destroying natural hormone balance. Low testosterone is not just about muscle loss. It affects confidence, motivation, drive, and even cognitive function. And it is happening earlier and more aggressively than ever before. But here's the good news. It is fixable. Dr. Gapin outlined the key strategies to optimize men's health. Getting the right lab test to uncover hidden imbalances. Implementing targeted nutrition and fasting techniques to improve metabolic flexibility. Using biohacking tools like cold exposure, red light therapy, and strategic supplementation to restore optimal function. I started applying these principles. I made small but powerful shifts, improving my sleep, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, and balancing my blood sugar throughout the day. I dialed in my training to work with my body, not against it. And the results were undeniable. My energy returned, my strength increased, and I felt sharper, more driven, and in control of my health again. If you have ever felt like your body is slowing down, if you have noticed the creeping effects of fatigue, brain fog, or lack of motivation, I urge you to listen to this conversation. In this episode, Joseph Navarro interviews Dr. Tracy Gapin to break down the future of men's health and how to take control of your performance and longevity. You can listen to the full episode on our website at burnitnutrition.com/podcast173 or on iTunes and Spotify under Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades to your health: hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but the key is electrolyte balance. That is why I use Element electrolytes daily. Without the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body cannot function at its best. It keeps me hydrated, supports my workouts, and improves recovery. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to grab yours. Optimizing your health is not about working harder. It is about working smarter. The tools are there. The science is there. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast173 and take the first step toward reclaiming your strength, energy, and longevity.